I joined Vick's welding program because I thought it was really cool. I mean, walking past this shop every day, seeing guys get their hands on things, welding, and it just spoke to me. One moment that really stuck with me was being able to give my mom something that I made in this shop. We were able to make roses, and it was just perfect timing that we were coming around Mother's Day, and seeing her expression and how much it meant to her, it really made me feel this was meant to be. This program has made me think about my future a lot. It's been a really great tool for me, experiencing everyone, the relationships I've built, and even if I don't do something with welding, it's a great skill to have. I definitely prefer working on the large scale projects because I feel like it just, it means a lot more to the community and being able to give back to the community. And I've only been here for 4 years, but they've been really accepting, especially the school. And so, for example, we built a bell for the football program, and I'm in the football program, and it was really cool to see the school using something that we made. Programs like this matter because kids need to be able to learn these skills. I feel like it's a very important skill to, be able to weld, be able to cut metal, even just, reading a tape measure. It's something that you're gonna need for your life. It's a really good skill to have, and I think schools need to implement this because, like I said, it is a very, very important skill. I'm Roman, I'm a senior at Champion High School, and I'm a proud member of Vick Welding Nation.